If you're broke, living in the US, and have no special skills, this video is for you. Because believe it or not, in 2025, you don't need a degree, a fancy job title, or a single dollar to start making money online. You just need one thing: the willingness to start. But here's the catch: most people won't. Why? Because they think it's too late, too saturated, too complicated. That's not true. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to prove them wrong, even if you feel like you're starting from zero. Now, before we go any further, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like the system is rigged? Like every time you try to move forward financially, something pulls you back? Rising costs, stagnant pay, endless bills? Yeah, you're not imagining it. But here's the part nobody tells you. Escaping that cycle isn't about working more hours. It's about working smarter and using the internet the way wealthy people do. Let's start simple. Method 1: selling digital services without having any skills. Sounds contradictory? It's not. You can use free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Grammarly to offer services like writing product descriptions, generating blog outlines, or designing simple social media posts. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients who don't care how you do the work. They just want results. You deliver the output, the tools do the heavy lifting. But wait, what if you don't even want to deal with clients? Enter affiliate marketing, the quiet empire builder's game. Amazon, Walmart, and dozens of platforms will pay you to recommend products through your unique link. No shipping, no customer service, no startup capital. You can promote these links on free traffic platforms like Pinterest, Reddit, or Medium. Create a quick blog using AI, link products, and watch commissions roll in. It's slow at first, but the snowball effect is real. And here's a twist you weren't expecting. You can get paid just for sharing your opinion. Yep, real companies will literally pay you for feedback. Sites like Respondent, User Interviews, and Prolific connect you with paid surveys, research interviews, and usability tests. Most pay between $20 and $100 per session. No resume required, no degree, just you, your honest thoughts, and a Wi-Fi connection. Still with me? Good. Because here comes the strategy that's changing lives: content repurposing. You've seen those faceless TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels using viral clips, trending sounds, and motivational text overlays. But here's the secret. Many of those pages are run by regular people using free editing apps like CapCut and Canva. They don't film, they don't speak, they curate. And because these platforms love short-form video, the algorithm does the promotion for you. Add affiliate links in your bio, or monetize through brand deals once you grow. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot. Where do I even begin? That feeling? That's fear disguised as logic. You tell yourself you're not ready, not skilled, not qualified. But here's the truth. No one feels ready when they begin. Read that again. Let's do a reality check. You scroll for 2 hours a day. That's 60 hours a month. What if just 10 of those were spent building something? What if you started today, imperfect, confused, but determined? Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they never start. Still not convinced? All right, let's play devil's advocate for a second. Worst case scenario. You try one method for 30 days and it doesn't work. What did you lose? Time? Maybe. But what you gain, clarity, experience, confidence, is priceless. You don't get those by watching, you get them by doing. So here's the cliffhanger. What if just one of these methods worked for you? What if the only thing standing between you and an extra $500 a month was the decision to try? This is your sign. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need money. You don't need connections. You need initiative. Because in 2025, the biggest risk isn't trying and failing. It's doing nothing and watching others succeed while you wait for the perfect moment. And that's why you're here, because you don't want to wait anymore. So here's your next step. Pick one method from this video and commit to trying it for the next 30 days. Not 30 minutes, not 3 hours, 30 days. Document your progress. Learn from your mistakes. And if you want more in-depth strategies, guides, and real-world breakdowns, this channel is your go-to. Hit that subscribe button, because your future self will thank you. And remember, it doesn't take money to make money. It takes courage, and you've got that already.